Since we know that the length is going to be some integer, we need to make sure we're converting it to a string before we add it to username. Because if we try to add an integer to a string, we're going to get a type error. Okay, so after we have that, we'll get the actual length of the name by getting length of name minus 1. And we need to make sure we include that minus 1 there because we're given the information that every name inputted into the function is going to have a space in between the first and last name. And that space doesn't count as part of the length of the name, so we'll need to subtract 1 to account for that. Something else we could have written the length of first name plus the length of last name, and that should give us the same thing. Okay, so we can go ahead and write the return statement for this function. But we still have to account for the last criteria, which says that all the letters in the username need to be lowercase. So what would we write here in our return statement in order to account for that last criteria?